midst of putting in the HRV, heat recovery ventilator. I've chosen a European unit made by Zender. It's a Comfo Air 200. Has a 92% efficiency, so there's very little heat loss. This particular unit, I've added a preheater on the fresh air intake. It's equivalent of a hair dryer, about 1,000 watts, and that's the primary heat for this home. And just above me, these two tin boxes are silencers, or you would say mufflers. So when this thing is operating on low speed, it'll probably only create about 37 decibels of noise. In other words, just a whisper. Incredibly quiet unit. The power has yet to be hooked up, and these are the cables for the booster signals to increase the speed, i.e. when you're taking a shower or using the stovetop in the kitchen, or that you have a large crowd. Okay. This is one of the 8 diffuser ports that's to be installed in the house. This one is going to be for the kitchen. There are 3 ports for Comfo tube to enter. There's going to be a tremendous draw here in the kitchen for stale air, and this will be mounted in the ceiling. And in each bathroom there's also a similar type setup to remove moist, stale air.
This is so big. And a bayonet clip. And then plug. She's done.